Sahil.
Sir, I'm Sahil Pandey from ANI News Agency. On 11th August, Court of Arbitration issued an award on issues of journal interpretation of IWT. What is India's take on it?
Madhu.
सर, भारत और अमेरिका के रिश्ते जहां पर खड़े हैं और जिस तरह से ट्रंप ने 50% टैरिफ इंडिया पर इम्पोज किया है, उसके बाद क्या कुछ बातचीत भारत और अमेरिका के बीच चल रही है? कई ऐसे डिफेंस डील हैं जिनके डिरेल होने की भी खबरें सामने आ रही हैं, तो क्या
This we remain focused on the substantive agenda that the two countries have committed to, and we hope that the relationship will continue to move forward based on mutual respect and shared interests. मधु, आपका दूसरा सवाल भारत अमेरिकी रक्षा सहयोग को भी लेके था। भारत और अमेरिका के बीच में जो रक्षा सहयोग है बड़े मजबूत हैं। पिछले कई दशकों में दोनों देशों के बीच में कई एक समझौते हुए हैं जो इसको एक आयाम, एक मजबूत रूप देते हैं। ये रिश्ते पिछले कुछ सालों में, दशकों में काफ़ी इसका फैलाव बढ़ा है। इसी महीने एक डिफेंस पॉलिसी टीम अमेरिका से आने वाली है और साथ ही साथ जो दोनों देशों के बीच में युद्ध अभ्यास, जॉइंट मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज जो होता है, उसका 21वीं कड़ी उस युद्ध अभ्यास का 21वीं जॉइंट मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज का नाम युद्ध अभ्यास है। ये इसी महीने अलास्का में होने वाली है। साथ ही साथ दोनों देश इस पर बातचीत कर रहे हैं कि जो 2+2 का इंटरसेशनल मीटिंग होता है, उसका वर्किंग लेवल जो मीटिंग होता है, वो भी इस महीने दोनों देश करने के लिए आपस में बातचीत कर रहे हैं। जहाँ तक डिफेंस एक्विजिशन की बात हुई, इसमें जो प्रोक्योरमेंट प्रोसेस है वो चल रहा है, जो एस्टैब्लिश प्रोसीजर्स है उसके हिसाब से। फॉर the India-US defense partnership underpinned by foundational defense agreements is an important pillar of the bilateral partnership. This robust cooperation has strengthened across several domains. We are expecting a US defense policy team to be in Delhi in mid-August. The 21st edition of the joint military exercise Yuddha Abhyas is also expected to take place later this month in Alaska. Both sides remain engaged to convene the 2+2 intersessional meeting at the working level towards the end of this month. As far as the question of defense acquisition is concerned, the procurement processes continue as per established procedures. इसी से लगा हुआ सवाल उमा आपका था। देखिए, जहाँ तक टैरिफ का बात है उस पर हम लोगों ने अपना स्टेटमेंट दिया है, तो मैं चाहूँगा कि हमारे जो स्टेटमेंट हम लोगों ने पिछले कुछ दिनों में दिए हैं उस पर अपना ध्यान केंद्रित करें। Can we take more questions? अभिषेक।
So this is in line of the last question. Prime Minister is heading for Tianjin for a multilateral summit. Can you expect that India is also going to review its relations with China, especially at a time our bilateral trade has a deficit about 100 billion, and two major Chinese firms are under scrutiny of Indians' financial and enforcement agencies? Thank you, sir.
कृष्ण मोहन।
सर कृष्ण मोहन शर्मा, भारत एक्सप्रेस से। मेरा सवाल पाकिस्तान से, उससे आगे पाकिस्तान ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया है कि इस मैटर को IWT को हम इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट में ले जाएंगे, क्योंकि भारत को कोई अधिकार नहीं है कि नैसर्गिक पानी के प्रवाह को वो रोक सके।
ऋषभ।
So good evening, Rishabh from Times Now. So there have been 3 such incidents in last 1 week, 2 in Ireland, 1 in Canada, where people of Indian origin or Indian nationals for that matter have been attacked. And these have been racial attacks to say one Indian gentleman who was in Dublin was attacked to an extent that he was taken to hospital by a local. A 6-year-old was actually asked to go back to India. And in Canada, we saw video coming out where an Indian couple was harassed by some young Canadians. If there is a stand that India has taken and a statement that I can expect.
Okay. Hare.
Good evening, sir. Thairay Maheshwari, Sputnik, sir. The Brazilian president had said that he would host an online meeting of BRICS nation to discuss a coordinated response to US tariffs. We've also seen Prime Minister Modi having spoken to the Brazilian and the Russian president in recent days. Does India also see a role for BRICS as far as the US tariffs are concerned? Thank you.
Okay. Abhishek, first coming to your question regarding External Affairs Minister's proposed visit. He is expected to visit Moscow for the 26th session of the India-Russia Intergovernmental Commission on Trade, Economic, Technological and Cultural Cooperation. This is to happen later this month. We will share with you further updates at the appropriate time. As also regarding the SR talks, we, as you are well aware of our position, we will announce this visit at the appropriate time and keep you updated in this regard. On RIC, no discussions have been held on this matter. Ayanksha, regarding a question on SCO, again, I would like to remind that we will announce such visits at the appropriate time and we'll keep you updated with the substantive part of the agenda as well. Krishman, IWT पे जो अभी देखिए in response to the court of arbitrations, I gave a detailed response. As also on IWT, you have made our position very clear on several occasions. So I would refer you to our statement, as also I said in response to Sahil's question on the award that has been given, which we do not recognize